In this video, we're going to dive into how to use Vendasta's local SEO tools to boost your local business rankings and get more customers. Stick around until the end because we've got a special extended free trial offer for you, and we'll show you exactly how to get started with these powerful tools. First up, let's talk about the local SEO dashboard. Once you log into Vendasta, you'll see an easy-to-use interface that helps you track your business's local search rankings. This tool provides insights into your local SEO performance, showing you where your business stands for keywords that matter in your market. It's an essential starting point to see what's working and where you need to improve. Next thing is reputation management. Local SEO isn't just about ranking, it's about trust. The software lets you monitor and manage reviews from various platforms all in one place. You can quickly respond to reviews, ensuring your business stays engaged with customers and builds credibility in your area. Keeping an eye on this is crucial for boosting your SEO rankings and showing up in those local search results. The listing management tool is another must-know feature. This lets you ensure your business information is accurate and consistent across all directories. Incorrect business details can harm your rankings, so using this tool to verify and update your listings everywhere, from Google to Yelp, will definitely improve your local SEO efforts. Next thing, SEO reports. Vendasta generates detailed reports that provide insights into how well your site is optimized for search engines. These reports are key to tracking your progress over time and helping you make data-driven decisions. You'll know exactly what's working and where you need to focus next. Now, let's talk about keyword tracking. With Vendasta's local SEO tools, you can track the performance of your targeted keywords. The platform helps you see how well you're ranking for terms that matter to your business in the local market. Whether it's plumbing services near me or best pizza in town, you'll know exactly how to target and adjust for better results. Lastly, competitor insights. To really get ahead in local SEO, you need to know what your competitors are doing. Vendasta's tools give you a glimpse into their SEO strategies and rankings. This gives you the opportunity to adjust your tactics to stay competitive. If you're ready to take your local SEO to the next level, don't forget that you can use Vendasta's tools completely free through the first link below, and we've got an exclusive bonus waiting for you. This free trial will give you a full experience of the platform without the commitment. So, in conclusion, you now know how to use Vendasta's local SEO tools to manage your business's online presence. Whether it's tracking reviews, managing listings, or understanding your competition, these tools are key for growing your local SEO and gaining visibility. Don't forget, the link below gives you an exclusive extended trial to get started for free today.